How to create a free website in Canva step-by-step guide. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a free website using Canva. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up canva.com and you will land right here on this platform. Canva is an online designing tool that allows you to create presentations, edit videos, create logos, flyers, and much more. We can also design our website using Canva, as Canva gives us a lot of different options and tools. We will be able to add different photos, images, videos, and edit a website professionally and create an aesthetically pleasing website for our business or our personal blog. So let's get into it. You can go to canva.com and sign up for free with your Google account. Once you sign up, this is where you will get. So what we can do is we can actually search for website right here, and it will take us to the exact layout, a canvas of the website. So if you're looking for a custom design, then you can click right here and enter your sizes. You can just click on custom size and enter width and height. But for the website, you will be able to find a template. You will be able to find a layout too. So we have websites right here. You can see this is going to be a 1366 by 768 pixels. So I'm going to click on create blank, and it will take me to my canvas to work on a website. So here we have our blank canvas, and I'll show you how to create a website. First of all, you can see this is going to be the page, and we can add as many pages as we like by this button right here, which says add pages. We will be working with templates, elements, upload, text, styles, logos, and more options. So first of all, we have templates. Now working with the template on Canva gives us the opportunity to use all of these different professional templates and pre-built layouts and different text, so that it becomes easy for us. And as a beginner, you can actually use one of the templates to create a website. I am actually creating a website for a company, and I'll show you how I will create it. I'm actually looking for a professional template right here. So I think this one actually looks really good. So I'm going to actually select the page from here. We can get like different pages from different templates. It's okay. So the first page I will be adding from this template. This is what it looks like. This is the first page of our website. And I will be, of course, editing it, and I will edit the background as well. Let's actually work on the background first. For that, I'm going to go to the elements right here. First thing, you can actually go to the upload section and upload the images that you will be using on your website. So I'm going to go to the elements now and search for this one, and I will be using like an image from Canva. All right, so we have it here. You can use the free images from Canva. A lot of images are free, some are paid, but if you are creating a website for free, you can use the free images. So I have selected this image, and I'm just going to place it in the background. How to do that? You can just get the image and like place it. There you go. So I have replaced my background image to this right here. Then we have text, and I'm gonna of course do that. I'm gonna adjust it. So I'm gonna delete the text that we already have. We also have a button here. I will not be adding any button or anything. I will just be adding the text. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm creating a website for our YouTube business, and we have like a business with the same name. So I will be adding the text here. I'm going to click on add a heading. Let's say this is the name for my company. Now we can make our text a little bold, and I'm going to change my font for this one, for my like main heading, the site name. So let's actually go with this one or something more bold. Okay, this looks really good. So I'm just going to place it here. Now the text is white, and I actually want to, make it a little more visible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to the elements, and I'm going to add an element in the background. I will select this square, and this is the color. This is according to the theme that we're working on. So what I will do is I will actually adjust it, and I'm going to place it in the background of the text. This is what it looks like. I'm going to actually do this. All right, make it a little bit smaller, and we're gonna actually move it a little here, and I'm gonna place it in the middle. Now I will click on the square, click on these three dots, transparency, and make it transparent like this. So this is what it looks like, our front page. I think it looks Okay, and now we can move on to the next step. This is how you will work. You can actually explore the elements. You can add different squares and buttons, and you can add, tables and frames. You can add images if you like. And this is how you will adjust. This is how you will create your, image. This is how you will create a page for your website. Click on add page, and we're going to go to the elements again. We will go to the templates. Check this one out, and now we will be adding this one. Let's change the background color. For this one, I am going with this color because this is a theme for the website that I am going. But I'm going to make it a little lighter. So we're going to go to the colors, go to the panel, and make it lighter. You can see the same color, but it's going to be this one. All right. Now again, we can change the text here and images. You can add the text from here. To add a subheading, just click right here, and maybe we can make it About Us page. All right, so this is going to be About Us. I'm gonna get rid of this text here, and I'm gonna change the color to white because we're going with the white text color. Make it a little bigger to make it the heading here. So this is the body text that we have on our website, and we can of course change it, make it less bold, and add the text here. To add a text, just click here and you can type whatever you want to. You can change the images just how I showed you. You can upload the images, upload media that you will be using on your website. Click on add page, and this time I'm going to go to the template and we will be adding this one. This is the service page that we have. And what we can do is we can go to the elements and we can search for different elements, such as you work on software, right? So maybe I provide a service for the software, learning. So what I can do is I can select this laptop. I can change the color to black and make it very small to place it right here. Maybe we can get rid of this one. That's what they have done here. And I can place a laptop here as an icon for what I'm doing. Similarly, we have this one. Instead of this one, I can go with maybe like a browser. This one, make it smaller, and we're gonna get rid of this one. This is for these services. So we kind of like use these elements for the icons. You can go to the elements and you will be able to find free elements, and anything you want you can find in elements right here. You will be able to find lines and shapes. We have stickers, photos, charts, videos. If you want to add a video to a page, just click on add page and you can go to the video section here and add a video on your website. Similarly, you can add images, you can add stickers, you can change the style as well. Go to the styles right here and you can change the theme of your website. You can change the whole look of a template that you have selected, and this is what it will look like. I'm gonna actually change the color of this one. We're gonna go with the darker and make it like this. So you will adjust your website, you will change the theme, add pages as you like, and you can see this is what my website looks like for now. And I will edit everything. You can see this text color is actually not white and this is black, and we have some blue happening. So I don't want anything to be blue, so I'm just going to change the text color to black here because it's not matching the website theme that I'm going for. So I'm just going to change the text color to blue, and of course change the text as well that is written. Once your website is done and you're done with the editing, what we can do is we can click on publish website. That will allow me to publish this website on any of the website hosting platform. It will also give me a preview. You can get a preview of your website from here, get a desktop preview and a mobile preview as well, and you can see how professional our website looks. You can also resize your website for a mobile too, or a tablet. Click on the share option and you will be able to share your website and copy this link and share it with your teams so that they can also check it out. And if you're actually creating it for a client, you can get the link from here or publish your website. So this is how you can create a website on Canva for free. All of the elements that I used are completely free. The images, the elements, and the buttons, everything is going to be completely free using Canva. Even with the buttons, you can just click on the button option from the elements and add a link to it, and you will be able to add the buttons. This is how you will create a website for free using Canva. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.